music, please. Oh, nag-warm up pa? Oh, kaya nyo yan? Oh, di ba? May ma-shoulder pa, ha? Oh, isa pa na, isa pa. Aba! Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, napaka-talented. Tumayaw at kumanta pa na. Boom, tara-tara. The number of applause, please, for our lovely parents, Leslie Donald, and of course, to Nigel as well. Thank you so much to both of you. Now, we in Malagos believe that education and nutrition should go hand in hand, especially to birds with specific type of diet. Now, very timely because our next topic will be all about bird diet. Now, it's important that we get to know, we get to be familiar kung ano yung kinakain ng ating mga ibon. Okay, now since it's already recess time, right, it's about time to bring out some food to our lovely teacher birds, starting off with Kapitan. Now, come on, Kapitan! Now, at this point, upo lang po tayo. No sudden movements, please. As we're calling our next teacher bird. Okay. Now, there goes si Kapitan. No? Si Kapitan po ay isang Philippine Hawk Eagle. No? Hindi yung Philippine Eagle, ha? Hindi din yung mga monkey-eating eagle. They're different, no? Kasi alam niyo po, yung mga Philippine Eagle, their wingspan reaches 7 to 8 feet. No? Ganun po kahaba. O, pero pansin niyo naman po itong si Kapitan, napakaliit lang. But because of their facial features, because of their color, madalas, pag lumilipad po sila Kapitan in the Philippine forest, napagkakamalaran po sila mga Philippine Eagle. Okay? Now, since our topic is about bird diet, kung napapansin nyo, may kinakain si Kapitan. And what they eat are actually meat. Karne. No? It could be rabbit, it could be snakes, lizards, fish, or even the small birds. Yan po yung kinakain nila or hinahunt nila in the wild. Okay? Now, since they eat meat,